I tell you what, I'm starting to give myself a frustration headache because this is about the fourth time today that I've tried to make this video. Now, this video is about trying to put a scroll view into your Android app. It's just frustratingly not as easy as you would hope it is, especially since there's a brand new Android Studio out that should streamline everything for us. Doesn't quite get as far as one might hope. Still using some outside help, some ChatGPT. What I did was I went online and I looked at a couple of tutorials for ScrollView, and they're older, and they have a person do some copy and pasting stuff in the XML file, as well as deleting some stuff and coming back later and adding some more stuff, and it was just very iffy if it came out all right, if it worked. I ran into a wall several times. So now, if I get this right, I'm in the lower left-hand corner, and we're looking at a brand new project called Scroll Test Number 3. More familiar with seeing this. I myself like to use this button here, select Design Surface, and get rid of the blueprint. It's set on Design and Blueprint now. I just go with Design, and that's surprising. Design and Blueprint is white. Design alone is white. Okay, that's better, I guess. I went to ChatGPT and said, please help. And it gave me a lot of information. More than I was asking for. Too many views inside of ScrollView. You can only have one view inside of ScrollView. Having too many heavy views inside of ScrollView can cause system issues. Recycler view. Boy, I've never used that. So here's even a ScrollView with constraint layout. That is one I'm going to come back to, but the first one we're just going to use is this basic little code that changes everything you've seen in activity_main.xml into this. With we're in ScrollView. There's this closes the ScrollView, and then inside this parent we have one child. That's all you're allowed, apparently. And so you choose a linear layout, and the orientation of my linear layout is vertical. Now, entering your text here is the tricky part, right? I'm going to try to enter a text view that's red. Why? Backspace. Backspace. Where do I put it? Oh, I'm always so bad at this. Text view. That's what I was looking for. All right, now with a vertical linear layout, the width will match the parent. The height will wrap. If you set the height to match the parent, it'll squeeze everything in and you won't have anything to scroll, I am told. One thing we're missing here is a close. I'm going to stay working inside of that close tag. And just hit tab. I accepted. I suggested layout. I'm going to copy my lorem ipsum again, and I'm going to stick it right in here. This is the most text stuck in a text view that you'll ever see. Paste, boom. See all that? That's text view. And there at the end of it is the close. This messed me up earlier. Okay, let's go to design view, and we can see that these little blue lines underneath here indicate that there's material down there. Scrolling with the little scroll bar button, I can actually scroll. Now, one thing I want to do is set some attributes to make it a little easier. I'm going to give it some padding. So I scroll down here to the letter P. P for padding. Several types of padding. Start, left. Start is the top, I guess. No, padding is the top. Top is the top. Start, I don't know what the padding start is, but padding left, padding right, padding bottom. Let's stay away from that one. Regular padding. Let's say 16 dp. Hit tab. And now we have a little indent on this, all edges. So that's very nice. So let's bring my device back in here. First, we'll hit the stack. We'll go to build and clean project. It'll build Gradle build running for a moment as it's running background tasks. And that'll stop and really tell us nothing, I think. This right here is the hard-coded text. It's not going to like that, so you right-click on there and show quick fixes and extract a string resource. So resource value is all that text. The resource name does not have to be all that text. So I'm going to delete. I'm going to backspace. And I'm just going to say lorem ipsum is the string name. Okay. And we lost our little caution sign here, so we're good to go. Minimize the text view. What? I saw another one. More than 120 lines. It didn't like more than 120 lines of text. Probably what this is right here. Toggle visibility of issue panel. Issue panel. Down at the bottom here. Text view has lines containing more than 120 characters. So, text view would like you to limit yourself to 120 characters. That's interesting. That's a little piece of information for the back pocket. Did we build it? Rebuild it. In case there's something else. That'll stop with the actual build. These are debugging processes. If you don't pass your debugging processes, your app will never run. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. All right, we're running. We're running. There's an unresolved ID. And main activity KT 1466. Well, this is line 14. That's probably character 66 right there. Main activity. Oh, right. See, what we have to do is give ScrollView a name, an ID. Get up there. See, it has no ID, ScrollView ID. We're going to call main. Main. Call him main. Okay. Linear layout. Same problem. No ID name. Linear layout. This sounds good. Maybe. We'll see if it linear. Oh, let me start from scratch again. Linear layout. I'm not a touch typist. Sorry. ID in place. Text view. Even my text view I didn't give an ID to. TV lorem ipsum. Okay, now everything's got IDs. All right. Main is main. Linear layout is linear layout ID. All the text. See how I shortened that string down from going endless? Error, can't resolve symbol. Lorem ipsum. Let's see what strings. Strings has to say lorem ipsum. This is all lorem ipsum. Main activity. Cannot resolve symbol. Don't understand what that means. I don't see a stop or a yield sign or anything over here, so I'm going to assume that's not too big of a deal and actually now build the app, which is a one-page app with text exceeding the height of the screen. Okay, we'll build. It's launching. Hey, that's a good sign. Installed successfully. Hey, that's a good sign. Where's my padding? Where's my padding? Linear view. Shouldn't be right up hard to the edge here. And I lost it for some reason. 16, please. GPs, please. Please. Run it again. I know I've gotten this to work before. Yeah. See how it goes much faster? See, now my telephone here in running devices, now my telephone has that indent on the padding on the side. So, and it scrolls, and all we had to do is just one child inside the linear layout. That's all this is right now. The length of text is actually inside of strings. That's this long string here, way off in the distance, much longer than the 120 characters it seems to prefer. And on our Kotlin page, our the back office, so to speak, we see nothing in red, especially that word main. Hover over things and all kinds of garbage pops up. I swear maybe one day I'll read it. So, this is a success. Now I get to change it and fill it with entry fields, data entry fields for my other project. So I gotta say thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. This was a very successful episode of using ScrollView and LinearLayout, ScrollView, linear layout, and text view in Android Studio, Ladybug, and it actually worked. So this is a keeper. How long are we in? 18 minutes. I could have done it in a shorter time, but this is okay. So like and subscribe and come back for more. Thanks very much. Bye.